Hello, hello. What are today's messages? Feel with me. Pity is out. Empathy is in. We don't feel bad for people. We feel with them. But empathy isn't just showing or something we extend and owe to others. Yes, other people deserve your empathy, but so do you. Watch the way you talk to yourself. Feel for yourself. Treat yourself. You deserve your empathy too. Make a decision that freedom is more desirable than having a negative feeling. The goal of surrender is transcendence. Our greater destiny is total freedom. The right thing to do isn't always the easiest thing to do, but it's easier to know I did it than to hate that I didn't. As reminder to Day Planner. Don't chase your dream. Learn to appreciate the present moment. When your dreams do come true, you'll have learned to enjoy the moment instead of reaching for the next dream instead. Teach your mind to rest in the moment. Allow. May you soften into what is. All right. What are today's quotes? Let's see what we get today. I am worthy of love. I am loved and appreciated. I am beautiful, handsome, just the way I am. Your worst enemy isn't a person, situation, or thing. It's the story in your mind, based on assumptions and projected fears or insecurities. Stop showing them you'll stay through anything. That's why they keep putting you through everything. Repeat often. I embrace challenges as opportunities to grow. I radiate positivity and attract success. Affirmations. I am at peace with my past and excited about my future. I am fearless in the face of challenges. I'm a magnet for supportive and like-minded people. I deserve success and happiness. I can achieve whatever I set my mind to. The last one today. When you are inspired by some great project, all your thoughts break their bonds. Your mind transcends limitations. Your consciousness expands in every direction, and you feel yourself in a new and a great, wonderful world. Dormant forces, faculties, and talents come alive, and you discover yourself to be a greater person by far than you ever dreamed yourself to be. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios.